salt causes you to retain fluid, which is going to make it more difficult to lose weight. Salt is something that most people way overdo. In fact, recently they found out that Americans are typically getting in about 3,600 milligrams of sodium a day, when the guidelines are that if they're healthy, they should only get in 2,300 milligrams. And if you have any kind of heart issues or diabetes, we want it to be as low as 1,500. So clearly people need to make a change. There are some foods that are naturally going to be higher in salt. For example, milk has a lot of sodium in it, but that's naturally occurring, so you don't want to avoid milk because of the sodium, because the milk actually does help with lowering blood pressure. But something like bread. Bread is the #1 source of sodium in the diet. It isn't the salt shaker. So going maybe with a smaller piece of bread can be an easy way to cut that out. There are some low sodium breads that you can also find, but if you can lower that sodium, you're most likely going to lower your blood pressure as well.